guys, so then we're gonna be removing the door panel and replacing the speaker and a 2004 Chevy Suburban. These come with the Bose system, so I just basically gonna replace it. Got another factory speaker from the junkyard, so I'm gonna be putting that back in there. So I want to keep the factory sound in here. I don't want to upgrade to the aftermarket, so because I like the Bose sound. Those of you got Bose system, you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna remove the door panel. First of all, we're gonna start by taking this little lock clip off right here. Pop this out. Do that. Just be careful with it when you pop it out. See that? They just slide like right off. And then up under here, right here, you got a 9/32, which is a 7mm tool. You want to take that out. All right. Then this clip right here, you just want to pop this out. I got a panel remover tool too. Probably need to go get it. This just pop right out. Just be careful not to break it. And these break easy too if you change them in the cold weather, because the plastic don't flex as much. So just be mindful of that too. Let's take this off. Slide that right off. Alright guys, now we got another screw right up between the handle right there. Now normally I tell you be careful and not to break this, because it's supposed to be a plug and courtesy light in here, but this didn't come with it, so whoever did it before must have broke it or whatever. And then this right here, see, I got the panel remover too. I like using my small flathead too. Just pop this up out of there. Just be careful and take your time. That's all you need to do. No one's in a rush. And then you just basically see that. You want to push this tab in right there and then pull the plug out. Alright, now once that plug is pulled out, you just want to push that plug down up in there and just grab this handle right here and lift up on the door panel, and it should pop right out. Hold on, give me 1 second. Alright. Just be careful. See those tabs? Like a lot of these door panels, like the older Tahoe's got the white tabs on it and it pops out. But this one, see these clips actually lift up and then out. See, a lot of people try to pop it out and end up breaking the tabs. All right, so let me get this off of here. All right, guys, now basically this is the speaker I was replacing right here. I went back from factory, and this speaker don't look busted. So I know just the right rear door was working, and the two front doors and this one were working, so I wasn't sure it was the amp or maybe the plug in the back. So, but I'm gonna try to find out what's wrong with it before I replace it. But just in case, I grabbed the factory amp and the speakers from the junkyard, took it out of another vehicle. And if that don't work, then I might just have to upgrade to aftermarket, but I'm trying to stick with the Bose sound. So, okay, I believe this is it's not the 7mm like the ones on the door. I believe this is 1/4 inch. I got one right here, and yep, that's it. So let me take that out and see what's going on with the speaker first before I decide to switch it out. Maybe just unplug, corroded plug, or whatever have you. But we'll see what's going on when we take it out. Be sure not to lose the Let's see what's going on. See, it can be plugged up. I'm gonna try to plug one of the other speakers in and see if that works. So let me pop this out. See there, you just push that little black tab in and it unplugs. So let's unplug it. All right, guys, everything turned out smooth. So it was the speaker. I had cut the other plugs and stuff off the other one just in case, made sure, you know, in case it was that. But this is the Bose speakers. They 5 1/4, I believe, for the back. Yeah, so this one is no good. And passenger rear was already working, so I'm not gonna change that, but I did take the other speaker out there. I'm just gonna keep that in case that one go out, but then I'm gonna get to these 2 front doors probably another day. But for right now, I got 2 back speakers, and it's way louder because at first all I had was 1 speaker and then a sub. So, yep. Obviously, I will play some music, but I'm not trying to get copyright strike, you know. And I don't have the Bluetooth on there. That's the factory radio, so I can't find some copyright music real quick. So let's get this door panel back on. Pop back on the same way you took it out. Those clamps, just slide those clamps back in, and it's that simple. Hey guys, as you start from the top and you slide it down and slide the clamps in, don't forget to pull this plug back through there, because we got to put the plug that switch back up. And then just don't forget your screws. You got 2 screws. Put those back in. Pop that back on. Same way you took it out, you put it back on, and it's that simple. All right, guys, and that's how you replace a door speaker and remove the door panel on a rear 2004 Chevy Suburban. Same for the Tahoe and the other GMC Avalanche vehicles, all that pickup, Silverado pickup trucks, and for. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.